Today we are going to learn how can we just create navigation pen for the website by using the edge over. You can also say it or call it hover, right? So
Yes,
just start
sir.
coding, just type your HTML doc type, you know very well. This is the pattern of the coding. Just type doc type HTML and just use the HTML tag and close this HTML tag. And within this, you just write the head tag. You know very well. You know about the. Do you know about the meta tag? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have to write here some meta tag for the particular set for our website view. So just write here title for the title content www.svsdvi.com and close it title, and then here you write the meta tag. You can also use meta tag before that, or you can go this meta tag, right? And here we use a name. Just type here view port, and after that, that is content will be just press equal to, and just use width of your screen equal to device width, and use comma and type your initial scale, right? According to your laptop screen, tablet screen, it will automatically adjust the view of your website. Clear? This is type here initial
Yes, sir.
scale, and you just do the type the ratio 1:1, 1:1, and close this and here. And this is the title tag. Just press enter, and again just write here some code h1 tag, and just type here center tag, and you will write here this is website navigation formation with H over, right, and close this center tag, then H1 tag, and just save it, and let's try to check it. Then move on the next part of the coding. Just see there and just press here F5. Just see there, you will get these things, right? And if you want to just make underline, you know very well, we use U tag for the underline, U tag for the underline. Right, and save this. And let's check the output. Just see that. This is the underline coming with that, right? So here we have this particular coding, you know very well. This is the website navigation formation with hover. Just move on the coding and just try to do other some part. And here you start the style tag, because we just control the style of the navigation pen by using this style tag. So just write here and use the body tag if you want to go with that, and just close this body tag, body, and use your nav tag, NAV. Here you just close nav tag. Just type here NAV. This is the nav tag, right? And within the nav tag, you
Yes,
have to
sir.
write this coding. This is the navigation tag. You know, you should use this for the navigation pan. Just type here and just make the headings for the navigation pan part. Just type here UL. I have already told about this order on order listing, so we have to use here on order listing, and just write here UL, and close this UL, and use here some property of that, that is LI for the listing item, and just type here home, and close this HLI, and you have to make this as a link. So use your anchor tag and use href. Here we use hash because we don't want to just give the particular URL address or link. So we just use hash and close this. And we have to repeat this step for more than 1 to 3 times for the navigation part. Click here, and click here, and click here. And write some headings within this. Let's go with the home. This is the first home tag. And second one, just right here. About, then notice, then result, and courses. And just save this. Let's check. Just see there. It is coming like that, right? It's look like that. So we have to use this in a single line, right? So we have to add some attribute within this, and we just control it by using this type. Okay. So just use here the nav tag. Firstly, just use create the class by using the dot. Just type dot and just type here nav1. You can write any name, but here we use nav1. Just type your name nav tab, right? And after this, just start the bracket and close this bracket, and right here the background of this nav tag. So just type your background dash color and just type your black or whatever you want. Just type in, and height will be just type your 20 pixels, and just save this and let's check it. First we use here the class, that is class, and class name is what? Nav tab. Here,
Yes, sir.
call this style class into the nav tab, and just save this and check the output. Just see there. Here's a black line is coming here, right? Or we want to just put all the content in a single line, so we have to use some code here. Just move on again on the coding screen, and right here for the UL tag. Right, so here we use this use dot nav tab because we want to just link with the nav tag class. That's why we just use the dot nav tab, and then we just define the ul for another listing. And in this section you have to set the attribute for the ul properties. Just type here uh, overflow. This is another attribute, and just type here auto, and use it, and just use semicolon, close it, and just save this and move on the coding screen and press F5, and let's check. There's nothing, so just move on again coding screen, and right here another part of that, just choose here, just type dot nav tab ul, and within the ul we use here li tag, right? So just write here li property and start the parenthesis braces and write some code within this. So just write here first one, float left, right? And just save this and check it. It's not working, so move on again here and check it again. Nav tab. So just see there, here's the something error in the L. So just type here nav tab and move on the coding screen. Coding screen, just press enter. Just see there. Here all the content coming in a single line, right? But we want to just give some space, and we want to just remove the buttons from this screen. That is the black order listing button. So just use here list style, and use here none, and just save this. And again here you use your, that is padding. Just type here 10 px or just type 2 px, and height will be just type 3 px. And after that we want to set the color for this particular text. So just type here color will be white. So just type here white, and let's check it. Save this and move on the screen. In the see there, just press F5. The tab is working, but color is not working because here the link is activated on this section, right? So we have to remove the link from here. Then we need to move on here again. And we have to write some tag or attribute for the linking because we just create here anchor tag and it is look blue because we use your anchor tag. So we have to set the anchor properties by using this. Again, just type here nav tab, and this is the next one, that is ul, and within this li, and within this anchor tag, right? So we have here we have write text decoration, text
Yes, sir.
decoration, and just type here none. Then it becomes very simple. You save it and move on the screen and just press F5. It's a mistake, so just move on here. Anchor tag tab, nav tab, ul, li, anchor tag, and text decoration is none. And with this is right text decoration. And just refresh that. Press F5. It is not working. So move on again, coding screen. And here we use text decoration. Text decorate. Text
Yes, sir.
decoration. Decoration. No. Save it. And let me check here. So just wait a minute. We have to write on the coding screen within this. Text decoration. No. Let's type here. Text decoration. No.
Yes, sir.
No. Save this and move on to the screen. Output the screen and just submit. It's not working, so move on this coding screen and write some other part of this coding. Should be a nav tab, ul, text decoration. Is it right? No. Just move on the other part. Just click on here. And after that, we want to just add search box. So we have to write here another part, that is search box, right? So use here within this, just type here input type text, and just type here variable name will be, just type search and value equal to search and close it and save it. You can also write some attribute for this and you just use your div tag and close this div tag, and again click on here and close this div tag. And we just set this div tag property by using here the div tag. Just type in nav tab, then div, and write some coding for here. That is float. Just type write and close this bracket. Right, and just save it and let's check it. It's not showing, so just move on again. Here, value search input type text div. Value is search. Just save here and then move. Just see the search box is coming little below this section, right? This is here, right? Is it visible here or not?
Yes, sir. It says, but
Okay, so we have to move it little bit upside. So just move on this and try to write some code and change there from here. Just click on this, cut it from here by using Control plus X and put that into div UL within UL and just save it and let's check it. Right, it's coming like it comes like that. Okay, you can also decrease the size of this text. Just move on here and just move on the div tag property and write here font size. Font size, and here you use your 10 px, 10 pixel, and just save it and just move on here and press F5 to refresh it. It's not working, so just move on again here and just type here font size will be 8 px. Just type here 8, just type here 20 px, and let's find out if it's working or not.
Yes, sir.
It's working, but it is a little bit down. So just increase the height of this navigation. Just type here 30 or for 30. Just type here 30. And just save it and move on. Loading screen and just press F5. Not here on the output screen and press F5. Right, it's look better. Understood? Just see
Yes,
this. When
sir.
we click on this, it is not open here any part of that, right? It's creating a link, but it is not working properly. So we have to write some code to change the color of this text. So we use generally which tag, that is the text decoration. Text decoration, and I think it is not working here. That is the tab. Let me check text decoration, and it is none. And remove from here. And let's check it. No, it's coming naturally. So just again move on here and write here some tag that is li and space anchor tag. And just save it. And press F5. Just see there. The underline is removing from here. Understood? And after that, we want to just change the color
Yes,
of
sir.
this. So just move on this the screen and write here the color for that. Just type here color, and color will be white. So just type here white color and semicolon and save it, not div tag, not here, just for it. We have to write in this anchor tag formatting. So just save it and let's try to find out it. Just see here, the color will be white. Understood? And after that, we just move on here. When we just place our cursor over there, we just want to change its color. When we just place our cursor, it will change. It will change. It will change. So what we do? Just move on this again here, and we have to write another part of this coding. Just type here dot nav tab ul and then li. Right, and use your colon and h over.
Yes, sir.
Over. That is over. And what will we do by using this? Just type here color will be yellow when we place our cursor over the text. So just move on here again and press F5. Just move on here. It's not working, so just move on again. The coding screen and just add here
Yes,
anchor
sir.
tag. Anchor tag. You can just try to H over and anchor and just save it. And let's find out. Refresh it. Just see there. It becomes yellow color. Understood? It is visible or not? Just see there. Let's move on.
Yes, sir. It's as well.
It's over there. Okay. I think it is very enlarged, so just decrease the size of that. It's look awkward, so just decrease the text here. Let's change it. Just type here www.svstda.com. It's look better. Just move on this and just change the, and let's find out. Let's see, it's look better, right? We can go with that. And after
Yes,
that, you
sir.
can just increase the spacing between this particular word. So just move on this tab and just increase the padding values. Just move on this padding and increase the padding here. Just type here 5 and just type here 3. Just manage this. It is for the padding for the spacing from the left side and increase from the top side. We want to just type here 10 px, means it will take 10 px from the left side of each. Just move on this and just see the distance will be increased. Just see it is moving a little bit down. So just move on again here and change the dimension for not this. Just type here 5 and change here it is 30 px and just save this and press F5 to see the distance will increasing within cells. Okay, so we have to just decrease the space because search box is a little bit tilted into the next part, next line. So just change the value here. Just type 20. I think it is enough for that.
Yes, sir.
And just save it and refresh it, and you will get the navigation properly. Clear concept? And you want to just make that
Yes, sir.
drop down list. When you click on this particular section, it will show the particular list of this particular section. So we have to write another code. So just move on here again like this, and we have to write same coding again. So just copy it from here like this, 2 or 3 lines, doesn't matter, copy it, and we have to paste within the form because we want to just sublisting, create sublisting in this section, right? Sublisting in this section. So just use here the OL tag. OL tag means order listing tag. Okay, OL means order listing tag. OL. OL. And here we
Okay, sir.
close this OL tag because we want to just close this OL tag. Clear? And after that, we don't
Yes, sir.
close it from here. Just remove, cut it from here, and paste it after that li. And let's check what will show. Let's move on here and click on this and press F5. Just see that the distance is coming here, but you will get the text of this in this section, right? But we don't want to this text in this particular part. So just move on again here, and we have to write subcoding for that particular part. So just move on where we have to move on again in this section. This is the OL part, and move from here and set the properties from here. Just choose here and type here again. Just use dot nav tab ul and li, and after this li, just move on this and press a, not a. You have to just add some other part in this section, so we have to use again li, right? We have to show
Yes, sir.
the property. Just type here h over, and then use your li and anchor tag ul then li and then anchor tag, and write some coding here again. Just see there, when you place our cursor over there, it will show. See there, and just type here display or display block float down or float none. You can go with that and try to find out that. And you can also change the color. Just type your color, it will be black. Just save this and move on the coding screen. This is the coding, this is here we add this particular part, right? This particular part we just added here. Let's move on the coding screen, and after coding screen, just move on the resulting screen. To see there is not a proper way to show this. You have to just add some part in this section to move it little bit downward direction. So we have to write again some coding in this section and move here and just type some coding. Just place your cursor here again and type dot nav tab ul li and write some properties with that. Li ul sorry ol and li and right here float down, and after that display none and close it and just check it. Just press F5, refresh it. It is not showing, but we have to move on this. There's some distance coming in this, so just move on again here. And we have to write here another part. So show blocks, display, and just change the color. Show display block. Just use your anchor tag and colon and H over. And then it will show like this block. And remove this particular part from here. And let's check. Press F5. It's not properly working. So just do this coding here. Okay, just delete it and just try to do this
Okay,
only. Okay, let's check the result and just do it. We'll take the other part in the next class because it is too
Okay,
long.
sir.
Okay, just wait, just wait. Just removing some coding from here. And just save it. And check it. Okay, just try it to make this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And out here,